Need a consultant for some unexpected event? Usually you'll contact your consultancy service provider to know if he or she is available in the zone. What if I told you that you can be one step ahead of solving who is able to support you on real time? Consultant, a platform built for GranCM's clients and staff. Here you are able to find our network's coverage and price ranges per country of residence of each expert. Lower you have a search bar that allows you to filter valuable information such as aircraft model expertise, current country location, and the expert's availability. For example, let's say you need to have done a physical inspection in France. In this case, look for the closest consultant and, if possible, a better price range. After finding out the price range for the consultant near the point where you need the work to happen, you are able to filter down the country to find the consultant's name or aircraft model expertise that you would like him or her to have. In order to look into more detail about consultants' background and skills, or about more consultants near the zone, click on GranCM Profiles and choose the continent where you need our support, in this case, Europe. Each option you choose has incorporated in the time at the main city where our main consultant is located. This helps you to know when to expect a confirmation. Confirmation we give not without first receiving the details of your project. Details that you are able to fill in and submit anytime from the action buttons on the top or with the button at the dashboard. Ask for a quote, don't be shy. The estimate is free. And remember, consult with experts.